Discuss about the obstructive sleep apnea hypopnea syndrome. Obstructive sleep apnea or hypopnea syndrome and central sleep apnea are both classified as sleep related breathing disorders. So, sleep related breathing disorders that include obstructive sleep apnea hypopnea syndrome and central sleep apnea. And these both share some risk factors and physiological basis but also have unique features. Each disorder is associated with impaired ventilation during sleep and disruption of sleep, and each diagnosis requires careful elicitation of the patient's history, physical examination and physiological testing. Obstructive sleep apnea hypoxia syndrome, the more common disorder, causes daytime sleepiness, impairs daily function, and is a major contributor to cardiovascular disease in adults and to behavioral changes, behavioral problems in children. And the central sleep apnea is less common and may occur in combination with obstructive sleep apnea as a primary condition or secondary to a medical condition such as heart failure or medication. And patients with central sleep apnea often report frequent awakenings and daytime fatigue and are at increased risk for heart failure and atrial fibrillation. So, coming to the obstructive sleep apnea hypoxia syndrome. And the definition, obstructive sleep apnea hypoxia syndrome is defined on the basis of nocturnal and daytime symptoms as well as sleep study findings. So, nocturnal symptoms, daytime symptoms, and the sleep study findings. Diagnosis requires the patient to have either symptoms of nocturnal breathing disturbances, like snoring, snorting, gasping, or breathing pauses during sleep, or daytime sleepiness or fatigue, that occurs despite sufficient opportunities to sleep and is unexplained by other medical problems, and 5 or more episodes of obstructive apnea or hypopnea per hour or sleep. The apnea hypopnea index, calculated as the number of episodes divided by the number of hours of sleeps. So AHI index is the number of episodes divided by the number of hours of sleep. And this is documented during the sleep study. And obstructive sleep apnea hypoxia syndrome also may be diagnosed in the absence of symptoms if the AHI is more than 15 episodes per hour. Each episode of apnea or hypopnea represents a reduction in breathing for at least 10 seconds. So, about 10 seconds there will be a reduction in breathing, and commonly results in a more than or equal to 3% drop in oxygen saturation. So, oxygen saturation drop about 3% can occur, and or a brain cortical arousal. brain cortical arousal can occur with the apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea hypopnea syndrome severity is based on the frequency of breathing disturbances, that is apnea hypopnea index, the amount of oxyhemoglobin desaturation with respiratory events, the duration of apneas and hypopneas, the degree of sleep fragmentation, and the level of daytime sleepiness or functional impairment.